TV episodes instantly. Yeah, you can watch Netflix on your PC or on your TV through a game console or other devices connected to the internet. Whoa, that's speedy. And Netflix is only $8 a month. Pretty cool. Let's tell Dad.
Dad, we're getting Netflix.
Oh, super. Man, I gotta lay off the chestnuts.
Start your free trial today.
For some, it's a lifelong passion. For others, it's something discovered yesterday. We all have things that speak to us. They
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only the message you are hearing is wide live code the alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test.